Hey everybody, it's Paul Barrett from the Mom Medicare Agency. I wanted to have a conversation, just curious what's going on out there with people's mindset as far as Medicare Supplement versus Medicare Advantage in New York. Why do I say that? Because a lot of people will say Medicare Advantage is horrible, they're this, they're that, and a lot of the people say it's because of network. You can't see your own doctors. Well, that's really not very entirely true. And let me ask you guys this. Has anybody out there their whole entire life before you got to Medicare ever had a plan that didn't have a HMO or PPO network? HMO, POS? You've always had a network. Every single plan does. My wife's a school teacher and we have an HMO. So we have a great network, but it's still an HMO. Nevertheless, I have a network. So to me, network isn't the most important thing all the time. Yes, it's great to have choices. I don't argue that at all, but I just want to know what people think about the money side of it. If you can get a Medicare supplement and you can afford it and you don't care, awesome. I think you should get it. If it makes you feel better to have a Medicare supplement, get it. But if you're just getting a Medicare supplement because other people say you should, other people say Medicare Advantage plans are bad, keep in mind this year, if you have Plan N, you're going to be giving up over $3,000 in premium. You're going to still have to pay your Part B deductible, which is going from $226 to $240. Then you have potential copays of up to $20. If you want to get Plan G is going to cost you at least $3,600. And then you're going to pay still the $240. So now you're looking at that with a drug plan, you're over $4,000 that you're paying in premium. So I'm just curious, is $4,000 for a Plan G and your drug plan, is that better than getting a zero premium Cigna, Aetna, Humana, whoever plan, and then going to, a doctor, maybe a primary care paying $0 or $5, a specialist paying $35 or $40. God forbid you end up in the hospital. Yeah, they have copays per day. You could pay up to $1,800, $1,900 for a hospital stay if you're in there for 5 days or more. But that includes your surgeon, your anesthesiologist. Yes, it stinks, but it's half the money that you're spending if you were to get a Plan G. So I'm just curious. I don't have any pony in the race. I'm only 52, not on Medicare yet, but I'm curious what everyone else out there is thinking. Is Medicare Advantage plans really so bad? Are Medicare supplement plans so great? And if they are we going to be able to continue to afford them here in New York? Because the deductible is going to keep going up for Medicare Part B. And then the premium for Part B is going to keep going up because that's what it does. And the supplement is going to keep going up. Does anybody here make more money every single year in retirement? Not many of us do. So that's why I'm just curious. Medicare Advantage, Medicare Supplement. I'd love to see your comments, see what everybody thinks. All right. Also, I don't think a lot of people realize New York, we're a guaranteed issue state. So if you did get on a Medicare Advantage plan and decide you want to go back to a Medicare supplement, pre-existing conditions don't matter. You could switch back and forth between each plan each year. Wouldn't make a difference. No underwriting. So that's off the table there. All right. Other states have to worry about that. We don't. Okay, guys, thanks for listening. I really want to see some comments, questions, concerns about Medicare supplements right here in New York. Just leave your comments below. All right, cool.